welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Rend, and today we're gonna be filming a cook with me, I guess. I literally just put on my makeup so that I can film this video, and my family is on FaceTime with me right now. And yeah, we're gonna cook together, so that's gonna be fun. So my level of cooking is beginner, to be honest. I don't know how to make much. I know how to make chicken, kinda. So I think I'm gonna do this video every month once and then see if my cooking skills improved, okay? I love how there's a sink right here. Love that. Let's get cooking! What you need for today's video is some chicken and whatever veggies you may have in the house. Oh my god. For people that don't know, I'm so confused by this random hair on the fridge. It's actually my brother's hair. My dad put it up here as a joke and people were surprised, and now it's just been up there ever since that day. My brother had really long hair and then we chopped it off and it's right here now. Okay, since there's not that many things that we can cook, we're just gonna eat some olives in the meantime because I'm so hungry. That's the worst part about cooking, is that you have to wait until you eat, and honestly, I'm already hungry. So we're gonna need this. We're gonna take a piece of chicken. Make sure you wash your hands. My hands are pre-washed because I'm a freaking G. So we're not gonna cut this in half. So this is what your chicken will first look like. I have no idea if it's focused, but yeah. Oh, okay. So we're gonna use this thing to pat it down, because you need a very flat chicken. I feel like using my hand is probably better. Our chicken is flattened out. I don't know if you guys see the difference, but to me there's a difference. We pat it down with a tissue because it's just supposed to take off like any excess water. Okay, my patting process is not the best, but it's fine. So then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. So one chicken down. Okay, what do you want? You're in my space! So you gotta heat up your food. We're gonna be making 2 of these today. Ah! This is some seriously good content. I am all. Bro, why is the freaking pan making noises? There's nothing in it. Why you gotta be special like that? Why does it smell like burning? I didn't even put anything on the pan yet. My mom's not watching this because she's gonna kick my butt. Oh my god, I literally have nothing on the pan, guys. Like literally nothing, and it's literally burning. Why? I feel like we should use vegetable. Oh my god, I should not be putting this on my clothes. Okay, we're gonna be putting vegetable oil a little tiny bit because I don't want things to explode. I'm so scared. Okay, we're fine. We're fine. This is really weird. Okay. Alright, so this is the best I can do right now. Oh, we should dry it one more time. I'm really scared. Alright, we can do this. That's kind of anticlimactic. We're stinging me up in here. I don't know why it's happening. Oh, it's burning. I need some oil, please. Bro, I don't know what's going on. Open the window. Ah! What do I do? Can you tell him to calm down? Ah! What do I do?
Split, like I said.
What the hell just happened? Well, that totally gave me a heart attack. Alright, we're on chicken number 2. Hopefully the fire alarm doesn't go on this time. I literally cannot believe that that happened. We had to turn on the fan and open the window. So right now I'm waiting for my toast, or bread, as some people may call it. Got the toast, got my mayo. Made this chicken myself. This is embarrassing. Alright guys, so we're gonna make a sandwich. Don't mind what's going on behind me because sometimes in life you just gotta let things go. Anyway, now we're just gonna spread some mayo onto the bread. What if I'm doing this for no reason? Like, what if the chicken's not even well done? Like, it's not even cooked? I guess we have to find out. Okay, moment of truth. It's pretty cooked, actually. Sucks that you guys don't get to taste it, but honestly, I could be lying to you and telling you it's good even though it's not. So keep that in mind. Don't trust the internet, kids. How's your food?
Amazing.
Really?
Yeah.
He just said amazing. So I'm just literally butchering my chicken and making a sandwich out of it because I'm a freaking sap. And now we're gonna put the onions on top of it. And voila! We have a chicken onion sandwich a la rand. I mean, chicken onion sandwich that I just totally made up, and I don't know if it's a real thing, but I've never even had this, but I just wanted onions. Well, I only had onions and chicken, so. Oh man. I gotta see you guys in the next episode. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I'm making more content. I've just been busy with school. Okay, made a sandwich, loved it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Wally, do you want food? Food?
Food?
Yeah, do you want food?
I want food.
Like, do you want me to make you some?
You didn't make me anything?